nowhere to sleep?
No, darling.
That's so sad. Would you like my hamburger? I still haven't eaten a single bite.
Really?
Yes, I don't want you to be hungry.
Well, thank you. Alexander, put Bella on the good list.